Hi, boys and girls. We have 6 pictures here, and it's really important to understand how to break those sounds apart because some of them, or all of them, you'll never know, have blends. So our first picture is a flag. Our next is a globe. Next is a glove. Next is a plug. Next is a slide. And then we have a broom. So when you pull the sounds apart for flag, it's important to note that there are 2 sounds that are blended together. So you have to really separate all of those sounds. So when you say flag, it should be f-o-a-g, which gives you 4 phonemes. If you're going to write it, do you see these little boxes or circles? Sorry, could you see those little circles? If you were going to write the word flag, it would look like this. O-a-g. Flag. See how the F and the L are in separate boxes? Well, that's because those sounds are blended together, so you can pull those sounds apart. So the next one is globe. Ready? Let's chop it first. G-O-O-B. So the first sound that you hear is G, which is made by a G. Mrs. Worling's writing is so sloppy. G-O. That's right. If you said L, it's an L. Globe. G-L-O-B. And if you know that this O makes a long sound because the E, you can add it. The next one is glove. So first you take your hands and you chop it. G-O-A-V. So if you were going to write it, G-O-A-V. Glove. Next one is plug. So we take our hands and chop it. P-O-A-G. P-O-A-G. Notice how my P and my L are not in the same box, or not in the same circle, because they are blends, and those sounds can be separated. Our next one is slide. So I'm going to first chop all of my sounds. So get your hands ready. You can do it with me. Slide. S-O-I-D. So the first sound is S for an S. S-O-I-D. Now, if you know that I makes a long I sound because the E at the end, you can add that E. But if you don't know that, that's okay. And then our last one is broom, which is a really tricky one. I don't want to hear you go burr, ooh, 3 phonemes, because burr is not actually one sound. It's 2. So you have to pull it apart. B, er, ooh, So it should be B, ooh, And that's how you do it. So if you come up with 2 sounds in the same box, because these aren't digraphs, they don't belong in the same circle. They aren't actually one phoneme. That's the difference. Blends actually can be separated and pulled apart. Now we're going to try it together.